Hey there! Welcome to the world of AI avatars, where imagination comes to life. In this video, we'll explore the fascinating world of AI avatar creation. Whether you're a digital artist, a content creator, or simply someone who wants to explore the exciting world of AI avatars, this video is for you. Together, we'll embark on an adventure filled with creativity, innovation, and the power of artificial intelligence. Get ready to step into a new realm of self-expression and limitless possibilities. Let's get started on our AI avatar creation journey together. To get started, visit Heygen.com and click on Try Heygen for free to access a 1-minute free credit. Create an account using your email and gain access to a world of video creation possibilities. Once you're logged in, you'll have access to a wide range of templates to choose from. Browse through the options or simply click on Create Video to begin. Before diving into the creative process, select the desired video size to match your platform or project requirements. Now, let's select the perfect AI avatar to represent your video. Explore the available options and choose the one that suits your style and message. Enhance the visual appeal of your video by selecting a background color that complements your content. Choose the color that resonates with your brand or aesthetic preferences. Next, craft your script or copy and paste your existing script into the designated text input area. Customize the text to ensure it aligns perfectly with your message. To add a professional touch, Heygen offers various voice options. Click the play button to preview the voices and select the one that best suits the tone of your video. If you prefer, you can also upload your own voiceover. Simply click Choose File, select your audio file, and let Heygen incorporate your unique audio into the video. Fantastic! You've completed all the necessary steps. Now, it's time to create your AI avatar and bring your video to life. Click Submit to initiate the video processing. Once the processing is complete, you can preview your video by clicking the play button. If you're satisfied, hit the download button to obtain the final version. Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of creating your AI avatar. I hope you've enjoyed discovering the power of artificial intelligence and unleashing your creativity. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. See you soon.